How to add multiple strokes in Adobe Illustrator. To show you this, I've prepared this text here, and I'm just going to select it. And what we want to do first is we right click on it, and we want to create outlines like this, where you can just press Shift, Control, and O on your keyboard. Okay, once we do that, we go up here where it says Object, and I want to scroll down all the way until I see Compound Path. And then I'm gonna click on Make, and this will create this outline for us. Now I want to give it a fill color, let's say black for example. And here where it says stroke, I want to choose a color for the first stroke, like that. Just gonna zoom in so you can see it better. And I want to make this also thicker. And now if we click on stroke, you want to make sure it's the align stroke is set to outline, like this. Okay, so we have our first stroke, and what we're going to do now is on our appearance tab, we're just going to click on these three dots for more options. And here we can see the first stroke, which was already created. And I'm going to select this one, and you can see this little box with a plus sign inside, which says duplicate selected item. Just going to click on that one, and now from here I can choose a different color for it, for example red, and I'm going to make it bigger. And that added a second stroke, and you can just keep going like that and as much as you want, and it will create more and more strokes. And that's how you create multiple strokes in Adobe Illustrator. I hope this was useful. Remember to like and sub, and I'll see you next time.